Hey, what's happening everybody? Welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to be having a look at this brand new Samsung TV called Crystal UHD AU8000, and it's 55-inch TV. It's recommended to use 2 people to take the TV out of the box just for safety reasons. At the very top of the box, you see the supporting legs. Then we see the bag full of all the goodies, the menu, the remote control, and the power cable and all that. Let's take it out of the box. This is the safest way to put your TV on top of the box, just like this, so you can screw everything on the back side of it. First thing we do is connect the power cable. This is what the remote looks like. It's pretty standard on all types of different models of Samsung TVs. Here I just noticed that one of the legs was not installed properly, so I'm just going to remove it and install it back. Installation is very easy. You simply push it up into the slot, it kind of locks into place. In case you don't know, we use the ARC HDMI port as the main point of contact for the most used device, like a console or cable box, just so we can control the device and the TV with the same TV remote. Let's talk about the actual features of this TV. So the first one is dynamic crystal color, which is basically the real life replica of how we see and visualize the colors. We would be able to see that in the picture as well. UHD is similar to HDR technology, where we have different types of exposures of the same image and we combine them all to make the best possible picture. The second feature is the Crystal Processor 4K. This is basically the most advanced chip that is currently available in any TV. It is required to not only process the actual image, but also all the applications that are going to be shown on the TV. And the third is obviously the slimmest possible TV. This is what all the companies are doing these days, and Samsung has achieved it again. This TV also comes with the free Samsung TV service, where you can watch a bunch of different channels for free. First thing you do for the setup is connect your TV to Wi-Fi, just so you can connect all of your devices through screen share or mirror whatever you're watching on your devices onto your TV as well. And obviously it needs to download a bunch of applications from the store. So once you do that first step, it'll take a bit to process everything, so you might not see it functioning properly or might be slow at the beginning, but once all of those applications are downloaded, you would see the actual speed of that TV, which is really good. To mirror your phone onto your TV, you simply go into the screen mirror option in your iOS or Samsung as well. You would see the TV option right there. You can simply select it and your phone would automatically start mirroring onto the TV. It does come with brightness optimization option, just so you can save a lot of energy consumption with it. At the end, I'm going to say that this TV is one of the best TVs that are currently in the market, and if your budget allows, I would highly suggest to go with it, because when it comes down to it, you would find all of the main features in this TV and all the extra features that you might find in all the expensive TVs that you might not even need or care about. You wouldn't even notice them missing anyways. Leave a comment about what you think about this. I'll have a link to it in the description as well. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.